was amazing coming to Belgrade. The setup with the people welcoming was very nice. And I see that as a part of Europe, but he has this special taste and with very nice people. It was very great.
I would say that Belgrade is a city that opens arms to the various international cultures. It's a city of beautiful and warm people, and it's a city that you can live your life to the fullest.
I think Belgrade was exceptionally welcoming. It was like, everybody was fantastic. Everything flowed very smoothly. It's well organized, the city itself. And that's one of the big takeaways that I have, how very friendly everybody was. And that everybody was very genuine and nice.